Hi, this is Martin on a quick mortgage minute. Thank you for spending a couple seconds with me. Don't forget to like, share the channel, and you can contact me if you'd like at my direct number, which is 714-616-2809. So right now we're in the middle of summer. As you could see, it's nice and hot outside. I want to talk to you a little bit about some home upgrades, right? I see a lot of people doing home upgrades. I actually run into some homes, and a lot of people do upgrades on their property, whether it's right before they are selling. They're looking maybe to spruce it up the best that they possibly can. The one thing you have to be careful of home upgrades is you have to be careful that you don't overdo it sometimes, meaning like your taste, it might be great for you, but it might not be great for the buyer that potentially is going to be buying your home, right? The other thing you have to be careful of with home upgrades is that right now, the way labor costs are and material costs are, is that some people feel if they upgrade their home automatically, that's going to increase the value of their home. Yes and no. Because of, like I said, because of the fact that there is so much work involved in as far as upgrading your home, doesn't necessarily 100% guarantee that you're going to get that exact return for investment on the upgrade on your property, right? So be careful. Home upgrades can be a little tricky. Sometimes they are for just your enjoyment of your home, and sometimes they are for the aesthetics of trying to maybe sell your home. Be very wise on how you spend that money, because it could help you, it could hurt you sometimes. Okay, thank you and have a great day.